Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man.
Whoa, what's going on here with Bitcoin Cash? It seems it's up about 20% over the last day or so, and of course, well, as we might know now, the news is this maybe hard fork is coming out. Bitcoin Cash surges 25% as exchanges show support for upcoming hard fork, and it seems to be on November the 15th. They threaten here to split it in two. Roger Ver, he will be supporting the ABC client with its mining pool, wallet, block, explorer, and other services. These two announcements helped the Bitcoin Cash jump about between 10 and 25% over the last 24 hours here. And historically, as we know now, whenever you have a situation like this, people, they want to get in before, you know, you potentially get airdrop tokens. So last year, for example, when Bitcoin blockchain was forked, those who held BTC were airdrop BCH at the 1-to-1 ratio. So I mean, that would have been a fantastic deal, right? And we'll have to see if this will repeat itself or whatever the deal is this time. But let's just remember, you know, where we are in this process, in this big experiment here with blockchain. And you know, like some people are saying here as well, I mean, we're like in the 1992s here of internet, and in 1992 we didn't call it the internet, we just called it TCP/IP, which is now of course the standard communications protocol for the web. And he continued here to explain that all you needed to know back then was that there was this new protocol that moved the information from anywhere to anywhere. Two, it did this in real time, and three, it was done for free. So, you know, they're comparing this situation where we are right now with how things were back then. And I mean, I don't even remember when people started using it like full time, really. You know, it was probably a few years later than 92. That seems to be very early in the process. Three things cryptos may give us. It answers to no one, of course. It's uncensorable, and it's having you know, this concept of a deflationary currency. There's 21 million bitcoins in existence, and that's it. So you don't have central banks who you know, can print it and print it and print it and you know, create other situations in the money supply, but there's a fixed amount, so this is of course something new. Bitcoin to change money like internet changing information. Assuming crypto succeed, then Bitcoin would become a global non-political standard of value and a global non-political standard of settlement. And this guy, he's Cesares from Sapo. He previously predicted a 1 million Bitcoin price, but says he doesn't see cryptos replacing fiat currencies. And so that's kind of interesting. So it seems in one way he believes the price will go up like hell, but it won't replace fiat currencies. So we'll see if it's right or not. But you know, those are some of the points here that we need to remember, maybe where we are here in the cycle. If you followed the internet back in the 90s, which is maybe not all of us, but let's look back to that and see what we can draw from that. And so that's about it for this Sunday, and let's follow this development on Bitcoin Cash. Take care, guys.